Hi students, I hope you are doing well. Okay, fine. Today we are going to discuss the topic real numbers. In that we are going to discuss LCM and HCF. Okay. So anyway, we solved some problems related to this topic in the previous videos also, previous sessions. Okay, I'll just let me do some more sums so that like you can be clear with this concept. Okay. The first sum we are going to take is find LCM and HCF of 96 and 404 by prime factorization method. Remember, by prime factorization, if they specify to do this sum using prime factorization, you are supposed to use prime factorization method itself. You cannot do that using Euclid's division algorithm, so you will not be awarded any marks for that. Okay. So first step, what we have to take? We have to write 96 in terms of its prime factors. So what are the prime factors of 96? Which is go with 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. And anyway, this sum I solved in the last class also. Again, I am solving to make you clear with the concept. Okay. 2 24s are, 2 1s are, 2 2s are, again 2 6s are, 2 1s are, 2 3s are. If you see like that, it is 2 into 2 into 2 into how many 2s? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 2s into 3. Okay, what I did, I just divided. 2 4s are 8, so 16 will be remaining. So 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are again 2, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are. So this is nothing but, I will write in power form. How many times 2 is repeated? 5 times it is repeated into 3 power 1. Next, similarly, do for 404. 404, what are the factors of 404? 2 ones are, 2 twos are, 0, 2s are, correct? If you divide 404 with 2, you will get 202, correct? Again 2 ones are, 0 ones. Can we divide 101 again? Remember, 101 is a prime number. 101 is a prime number. You cannot divide prime number further. So we can stop here. Correct? Because any prime number, see here, 3 is there. Can we divide 3 with any other number? Because 3, 5, 7, 11, this 101, all these are prime numbers. Prime numbers cannot be divided further, that you know. Correct? So 404 can be written as 2 into 101. Correct? Which can also be written as 2 square into 101. Okay? Power 1. Correct? 2 square into 101 power. So, first HCF of 96 and 404. Remember, HCF is nothing but, I'll write here, it is just product of smallest power of each common prime factor. Product of, I'll write here, smallest power common, okay, product of smallest power, okay, or you can write product of smallest power of each common prime factor, of each smallest power of each common prime factor. Okay, this you can easily remember. Okay, product of smallest power of each common prime factor. Then what is LCM? LCM is 96404. Again, we have to find it. I'm just writing this, if you write so that you can understand easily, okay, like how to find the LCM. So product of greatest power involved in the numbers. Product of greatest power involved. You can, I am not writing everything. Involved, if you write, you can understand. Involved numbers. You can write like this. Product of greatest power involved numbers. So now, why I am writing this? Why I am writing this? because you can easily understand what should be taken as LCM, HCF. Anyway, last class also I explained. I'm not confusing you by saying this. This is one easier method to understand. Okay, HCF. First, you see the common numbers. See, whenever you consider HCF, you always see the common numbers. Okay, and leave about other numbers. We do not want in HCF, we never take a number which is not common. Remember that. We will take only the common numbers. So in these two numbers, which is the common? Basically, how many numbers we have? 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3. Three numbers are there. What are those numbers? 2, 3, 101. You leave about powers repeated. Repeated don't take. So we have three numbers. One number is 2, another number is 3, another number is 101. So in these three numbers, which is repeated or which is common, not repeated, common in both the expansions, which is 2 only. 2, right? In these two expansions, 2 is there, so that is common, obviously. Which power? 5 is the highest power or 2 is the highest power? 2 is the highest power, so that smallest power is your HCF. First, you have to check which is the common factor. So 2 is the common factor. In that, which is having highest power? So 5 is highest power? No, we don't take highest power. 2 is the lowest power. So smallest power of each common prime factor, product here only 1 is there. Correct? If 1 is there, that's the reason we are taking 1 only. Product of smallest power of each common factor. Here, one thing you have to understand, that should be common in both. That you have to check. So it is common? No, it is not common. 2 is the only one which is common in both. 3 and 101 is not common. So 2 and 2 power 5 is there, 2 square is there. In this, okay, which is the highest power? The smallest power, 2 square. So 2 square will be HCF. If you are getting confused with this method, because 2 square you are taken, 2 power 5 is there. So that's the reason you can just 2 square like this also fine. Here 2 2s are there. Here also 2 2s are there. Here actually 5 2s are there. But here you have only 2 2s. So 2 2s are common in both. Correct? 2 2s. How many number of 2s common here? 2 number. 2 number. It means 2 into 2 is common in both. So that will be the HCF. That way also fine. Or which is the smallest power? 2 square. So that is also fine. Now LCM. How to find LCM? Easy method I will tell you to find LCM. First write the numbers. How many numbers are there? So 3 numbers. Write 3 numbers. Put into. Put into means multiplication symbol. After putting the multiplication symbol, you just check the powers of all this. One time only you have to write. I told you clearly. You cannot repeat the numbers. So written one time only. 2 one time I written. 3 one time I written. 1 one time I written. Afterwards, I checked with the powers. What are the greatest powers of 2? 2 power 5. 2 square I will neglect because 2 square is lesser than 2 power 5. So power 5 is highest. So 2 power 5 you take. 3 and 1. Obviously we have 3 has only 1 power. 101 has only 1 power. So which will give you the answer. 2 power 5 into 3 into 101. And last time I had given you to do on your own. It will come around 9696. Okay. Answer will be 9696. Means 9696. So that will be your answer. Got it? Fine. I think that is correct. You can just check, multiply and check, or you can multiply what is there. So see, 2 power 5 is 32. So 32 into, it is 101. 2 power 5 is 32. Correct. 2 power 4 is 16. So 16 2 is 32. So 2 power 5 is 32. 32 into 303. Just do, you will get, or you can do in the other way also. 303 into 32. So which will give you 606 and 3 3s are 9, 0, 3 3s are 9. This will give you 9696. So LCM is 9696. That's all. You should remember. Okay. So multiplication, so everybody know. I hope you're not able to. No need to explain multiplication also for you guys. Yeah. I'll just explain once again, guys. Just carefully listen. We have to find the LCM and HCF by prime factorization method. So prime factorization method in the sense what? We have to convert a given number into prime factor. So we converted. What we got? We just divided with 2. We got 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So this is the expansion. This division part, you know, 2, 48 times 2, 24 times 2, 12 are 2, 6 are, and again 2, 3 are. So we got this expansion, right? So 2, how many times it is repeated? 5 times it is repeated. So 2 power 5 into 3 power 1. I'm just writing in terms of powers. Here 2 square into 101. So now to find HCF, what I said, which is common here in this both, if you see like that, here 2 2s are there, here also 2 2s are there. So in both the cases, 2 2s are common. So that is why 2 2s are HCF. Means 2 2s in the sense 2 into 2. 2 into 2 here, again 2 into 2 here. So this is common in both. So 2 square, 2 into 2 is 2 square. So that will be HCF. One way to find HCF. Another way to find HCF is just check the common factors. Which are the common factors in this? 2 power 5. 2 is the common factor. Actually here 3 numbers are there. 2 is one number, 3 is another number, 101 is one more number. In these 3 numbers, 2 is common in both the expansions. In this, which is the lowest power you have to check? Smallest power, not highest power. Smallest power is 2. So 2 square is the smaller one. So take that will be the HCF. If you have more than 2 square anything, you have to multiply. Here we do not have anything like that. So 2 square will be the HCF. And how to find LCM? LCM, what I said, first write the numbers. HCF is easy, which is common you write. If here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, so definitely 4 is common here in both. So 4 is the common HCF for here. Like LCM, first you write the numbers. Don't repeat the numbers. Just count, it's very simple. How many numbers are there? 3 numbers. What are those? 2, 3, 1, 0. Write it. And after, which is the highest power for 2 here among this expansion? 5 is the highest power. So 2 power 5 you write. 3 and 1, any power is there for that? No, leave it. 3 power 1, 2. If you have, for example, here 3 square, here you have 101 square, you would have taken 3 square, 101 square. You will not take 1013 because compared to 3 power 1, 3 square is highest. So you have taken more power, greatest power here. You do not have, you have only 1. So write power 1. Very simple. If you have more powers, write more greatest powers. If you don't have any powers, at least you have to write 1 time. So I hope you understood the LCM part. So LCM, it will give you 9,696. 303 into 32. Okay. So I hope you understood this clearly. Yeah, we will just go with one more kind of sums, which is find the LCM and HCF of 3 numbers. Here we went with 2 numbers. Here we are going with 3 numbers. See, there is nothing difference in 3 numbers. 3 numbers also same kind of procedure only. 1 number we are expanding more. That's all. Okay. Yeah. Solution of first one 6. Okay. 6 can be written as 2 into 3. I am not dividing 6. It's very easy. That's the reason I am writing directly. 72. 72. First you divide with 3. 3 2s are 6. I'll go with 2. No problem. 2 2s are 2 3s are 6. And 12 will be remaining. 2 6 are 12. Next. 2 1s are 2. 2 8s are 16. Next. 2 1s are 2 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s. Correct. 3 3s are 9. So expansion can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This can be written as 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. This can be written as 2 cube into 3 square. Okay. Similarly, 120. 120, how do you write? 120, just divide with 2. 2 6 are 12, 0. Next, 2 3s are 0. 2 15s are correct. Again, 3 5s are. You can see the 5 down. I'll write here. 15, it will be 5. Okay, you will get 3 5s are. Correct. So 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Correct. Okay. So 4 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, or 8 5s are 40, 40 into 3 is 120. So obviously you will get 2 cube into 3 into 5. Just it's division only. No need to confuse in this or getting confused in this. 2 6 are 12, so 60, 2 30s are 60. Next 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15. So obviously you will take 2 into 2 into 2 and into 3 into 5. So this can be written as 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. If nothing, it is not repeated. Okay, just write power 1. Okay, that is the one important thing you have to understand. I'll just explain. We just write this in terms of its prime factor. 6 can be written as 2 into 3, correct? So 2 into 3, and 72 can be written as 2. 36 is 72, 2 3 is 6, 12 is remaining. So 2 6 is 12, 2 1s are 2 18 will 16 will be remaining. 2 8 is 16, 2 1 2 1s are 2 9s are 18, 3 3s are 9. So it is 3 times of 2, 2 times of 3. So 2 cube into 3 square. Similarly here, when you divide 2 60s are, 2 30s are, 2 15s are, 3 5s are. Correct? I just did this here. So you'll get 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 5. I hope this prime factorization everybody understood. Now, after getting this, first step I'll just do here so that you can clearly see that. So we have to find HCF first. Okay, HCF of 3 numbers we have to find. So 3 numbers, we'll write it down: 6, 72, 120. First thing, what you have to observe, which is the common. How many numbers are there here? If you see numbers, what are the numbers here? We have 2, 3 and 5, correct? 3 numbers are there in this, which are 2, 3 and 5, correct? So in this, which number is common that you see? Everywhere if you observe, here 2 is there, correct? And again 2 is there everywhere, 3 is there everywhere, correct? Clear about the powers. First you see the common numbers. So write it down, 2 and 3. Correct? Common numbers I am writing. First you write common numbers. Clear about the powers. Write common numbers. Correct? In that common numbers, which power is the smallest power? 5 is not common. You just look at this. 5 is not common. It is there only in this expansion. It is not there in this 2. So that's why I'm not taking 5. Because common terms are only, don't see the powers at all. Just to see the numbers. So in these 3 numbers, 2 and 3 is there everywhere. In all the expansions, 2 and 3 are there. And that's why I written 2 and 3. Common numbers I written there. So now, which are the least power, smallest power of each prime factor? Smallest power is what? 2 cube, 2 cube, correct? Here we have 1. Here for 3 we have, smallest power is what? 3, correct? I hope you understood. Okay, smallest power of 2 is what? Smallest power of 2 is, smallest power of 2 is 1. So 2 power 1. And what is the smallest power of 3? Here 3 power 1, here 3 power 2, here 3 power 1. Which is the smallest power among this 3? So 6 will be the HCF here. Okay, that is one way. And this is easier way, I believe. Here also 2 is there, here also 2 is there. See, 2, 3. 2 into 3 is common everywhere. 1, 2, 1, 3. Here 2, 3. Here 2, 3. Here also 2, 3. That is only the common. So obviously you will be 6 as HCF. Or what method I said? Just to see, anyway powers you don't see. Write the common numbers. 2, 3 here, again 2, 3 here, again 2, 3 here. Correct? Write it down. And which is the smallest powers of 2 and 3 in all the 3 expansions? Smallest power, which is 1 and 1. So 2 power 1 to 3 power, which is 6. That's all. Easily you can remember. Okay. 672, 120. LCM we are finding. So how to find LCM? What I said, same. Don't write common numbers, write all the numbers in LCM. Don't repeat, that's all. 2, 3, 5. Write it all the 3 numbers first. Which are there? 2. We have only those 3 numbers, 2, 3 and 5 written. Afterwards, see the greatest power of 2. In all these 3, 1, 2, 3. Which is the greatest power? 2 cube. Correct? Correct? That 3 is the greatest power in all the 3 expansions for 2. And what is the greatest power for 3? 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 power 1. Which is the greatest power? 3 square. So write the greatest power. And 5, which is the greatest power? 5 power 1. So write 5. So 2 cube is 8. 8 into 9 into 5. So 40 into 9, which is 720. I hope 720 will be the, sorry, not 720, 40 into 9, 360. So 360 will be the HCF. Okay, 360 will be the HCF. I hope it is correct. If you have any doubts, you can just multiply and check. So, yeah, I'll just explain once again. It is very easy to find LCM and HCF, guys, because you might be having confusion only with powers. So it's very easy. First, you write this power expansion. I'm just underlining this power expansion. So no doubts related to this. If you have also, you can easily understand it. It's not that much complicated. First, you write the common numbers. Whenever you write HCF, whenever you are writing HCF or finding HCF, you have to write the common numbers. What are the common numbers in all these three? So you can look at this. Here 2 3 is there, here also 2 3 is there, here also 2 3 is there. 5 is not common, so I will not take 5. Write 2 and 3. After writing the common numbers, you just check their powers. This common numbers powers, which is the lowest power. For 2, which is the lowest power? Here 2 power 1 is there, here 2 cube is there, here 2 cube is there. Which is lowest power in that? 1 is the lowest power or smallest power? Take power as 1. And here you take 3, 3 square, 3 power 1. Which is the lowest among these 3? 1 is the lowest. So 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. So 2 power 1 is 2, 3 power 1 is 3. So which is 2 into 3, which will be 6. So 6 is the HCF. Now coming to LCM. Don't write the like all numbers repeated. First write all the numbers. How many numbers are there? 2, 3, 5. Only 3 numbers are there. Repeatedly we are not writing. Write those 3 numbers. 2 into 3 into 5. Correct. You should write with multiplication. Don't write 2, 3, 5. You should multiply and write. So 2 into 3 into 5. So written, right? After that, first check the highest power of 2. There in HCF we went with lowest power, right? Here you should check highest power of 2. In this, only see the expansions. Power 3, power 3, power 1. Which is the highest power? 3. So 2 cube you write. Next, for 3 power 1, 3 square, 3 power 1. Among these 3 powers, 1, 2, 1. Which is highest power? So square. Take 3 square. Next, 5 you check. Everywhere if you check, 5 you have only 1 is the highest power. Correct? Write 1. So 2 cube into 9. Like 3 square into 5, which is 8 into 9 into 5. So which will give you 360. So 360 will be the LCM. Okay. And we are going to solve one more sum of this type. I think you can understand better. I hope you understood in this 3 or 2 expansions only how to find prime factors and LCM and HCF also. Okay. See, this looks very easy to understand only by practicing. Okay, if you do at least 4 or 5 sums, same type if you practice, it is easily you can do it. So 12. First I am doing the second one. Finding LCM and HCF by prime factorization. 12, 15 and 21. So 12 how will you find? So what are the prime factors of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. Correct? 12 can be written as 2, 6. Next 2, 3. Correct? So 2 into 3. In power form, I can write it as 2 square into 3 power 1. Okay? Next 15. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Correct? In the terms of powers, you can write 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Okay? Whichever you take it as powers, box it. You will get confused otherwise. Just box them so that you will not get confused. Powers expansion, I am just putting a box for that. So 21. 21 is still more simpler, 3 into 7. See, here all are prime numbers. We never get any, thing other than prime numbers. It should be prime number. We cannot, if you take anything, something like here 4 into 3, you have to convert 4 into prime numbers. Means again you have to write just 2 into 2. Apart from prime numbers, you should not have any other factor over there. Remember that. Now we have to find HCF. Correct. To find HCF of 12, 15, 21. Correct. So what is the thing which we have to write first? Which is the common number in this 3 expansions you see? See the boxed ones, which are boxed. 2 square means 2. 2 is there anywhere here? 2 is common in all? No. Leave it. 2 is not common in all expansions. 3, 3, 3. So 3 is there. Write 3. Okay. Apart from 3, anything else common here? I don't think so. We have only 3. Anything else? Just check. 7 only here. 5 only here. Here we have only 2 and 3, but here we do not have 2. So we have only 3 as the common factor. And what is the lowest power of 3? We have only one power, that's all. Power 1 is the lowest. So 3 is the HC. Correct? What I did, I taken the common number in all the three expansions, which is 3. What is the lowest power of 3? Lowest, nothing have lowest than 1. So we have 1 as the only power there. That is the lowest power there. So write it as 1. 3 power 1. So LCM. To find LCM, what is the first thing we have to do? Write all the numbers. Multiplied version means 2, 3. What are the numbers we have? 2, 3, 5, 7. No? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. Correct. So greatest power of 2. First go with 2. What is the greatest power of 2? Square. Write it. What is the greatest power of 3? 1 only. What is the greatest power of 5? 1 only. See? 5 power 1. 7 power also 1. So 7 5 is 35. 35 into 4 means 35 into 12. Isn't it? 7 5 is 35. 35 into this is 12. 4 3 is 12. So 12 5 is 60. 12 3 is 36. 36 plus 6, which is 36 plus 6 is 42. So 420. Okay. See, 7 5 is 35. 35 into 12. 4 into 3 12. So 12 5 is 60. 12 3 is 36. 36 plus 6 is 42. So 420 will be the LCM of this 3 numbers. Okay. Again, anyway, I will explain once again. 12, we are writing it as 2 into 2 into 3. So in expansion power form, we can write 2 square into 3. Similarly, 15 can be written as 3 into 5, which can be written as 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 21 can be written as 3 into 7, which can be written as 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. So now, HCF of, how to find HCF? Write the common numbers in the expansions. What are the common numbers we have? We have only one common number here, which is 3. Correct. So write the number. And what is the lowest power, smallest power of 3 there? 1. Because we do not have any smallest power than 1. 1 is the lowest power. Anything power 0 is 1. So that cannot be taken here. We do not get that also. We will get least power as 1. So 3 power 1 is 3. How to find LCM? LCM, first write the numbers without repeating. How many numbers are there here? 2, 3, 5, 7. Right? 2, 3, 5, 7. Don't leave any number. Remember, you cannot leave any number there. Don't write 2, 3, 7. Some people will leave. Because 5 is not there and I'll also leave it. That is only for HCM. LCM, all the numbers at least one time you have to write. It's very simple. How many numbers are there? 2, 3, 5, 7. Also write 2, 3, 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. And after writing that, see which is the highest power. Square. For 2, this is the highest power. So write 2 square. For 3, 5 and 7, we have 1 only. So 1, 3 power 1, 5 power 1, 7. Multiply, you will get 12, 4 square, 2 square, 12, 4 into 3, 12, 12 into 5, 60, 60 into 7, 420. So LCM is 420. Okay. And if you have a relation also between LCM and HCF, if you can try with that, I will do on some based on the relation also. Okay. When you multiply these 3 numbers, like 12 into 15 into 21 should be equal to 420 into 3. That is only the relation we discussed in the last session. It means LCM of, I just remove this, LCM of 2, product of 2 numbers is equal to the product of their LCM and HCF. That is the, rule I explained in the last class, and we are going to do one more sum based on that type here. Okay. What is that? Just look at this. Given HCF of 306 and 657 is 9, and find LCM of 306 and 657. Okay, so to find HCF is given, we have to find LCM. So here, what is the relation? We know that relation between LCM and HCF is HCF of, here what are the numbers we have? 306, 657 into LCM of 306, 657 is equal to 306 into 657. See, relation I am telling once again. HCF of the numbers. You can take this as ENB or any other terms you can take. HCF of these numbers into LCM of these two numbers should be equal to the multiplication of those two numbers. Okay? HCF of these two numbers into LCM of these two numbers should be equal to the multiplication of those two numbers. So here we have to find LCM and HCF is given. What is HCF given? 9. 9 is into LCM of whichever is given, that is substitute, is equal to 306 into 657. Okay, so we need LCM. So LCM 306, 657 is equal to 306 into 957. This will come in the denominator. So 9 you get. Correct? So when you get 9 here, so what do you get? Just do it 9 ones are 9, or you can just this 957. Okay, this is 657. 9 sevens are 63. Correct? This is 657. 9 sevens are 63, and 9 threes are 27. Okay, you can cancel using 9 tables. So 9 sevens are 63. You'll be left with 27. 9 threes are 27. So just multiply 306 into 73. So what do you get? 3 6 are 18, and 300 1. 3 3s are 9. Again, do with 7. 7 6 are 42, and 7 0 0 and 4. 7 3s are 21. So 918 and 2142. Okay, you just add this 2. So you'll get 8 3 and 4 13. So we'll get 2 2 means 22,330 each. Okay, so that will be your answer, 22,338. See, multiplication part, you know that I no need to do it, but still I am doing it so that like you can do on your own also. Just 900, 3 6 are 18, so 0 1, 3 3 is a 9, 7 6 are 42. Just look at this, 7 6 are 42, 7 0 0 4, 7 3 are 21. So just add it, you will get answer as 22,338. That will be your answer. Okay. Yeah, this is how you have to find the LCM when HCF and the numbers are given. I'll just repeat once again. Okay, so given HCF as 9 and find LCM. It's very simple. They given HCF as, I'll just remove this multiplication part. Given HCF as 306 into 657. So what is the relation we have? Relation is HCF of A comma B into LCM of A comma B is equal to A into B. This is the relation we discussed in the last class. So what they are given? HCF they are given, LCM we have to find. So HCF is what? HCF is 9. LCM we don't know, right, as it is, and which is multiplied with the numbers. What are the A and B here? Which is 306 and 657. Just multiply those numbers. We need LCM. So this 9 will go in the denominator because it's multiplying. It will divide if you go to the RHS. So 9 ones are 970. These are, so 73 times of 306 is 22,338. So that is how you have to find the LCM when HCF is given. Okay, I hope you understood this, and this sums are very important in examination point of view. Okay, I hope you understood this. Thank you very much. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Have a fantastic day for you guys.